Will you start now or keep waiting for everything to be perfect? Many people delay starting content creation because they feel they don't have good equipment yet. In reality, what you need to start is only two things: a smartphone and an internet connection. Today, almost all viral content is created using just a phone camera. No expensive studio, no complicated equipment. What matters is not the camera, but the ideas, consistency, and the courage to start. Many successful creators today actually started from simple bedrooms, using whatever phone they had, but they kept learning, uploading, and improving their content little by little. Remember, audiences come for interesting and valuable content, not for expensive cameras. So if you already have a phone and internet, it means you already have everything you need to start today. Now there's only one question: will you start now or keep waiting for everything to be perfect?